Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to view anyone Instagram account, posts, stories, everything without an Instagram account. For example guys, if you don't have any Instagram account, now you need to view someone's Instagram post stories. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. You can try this on your Android iOS phone also, or you can try this method on your desktop PC laptop also. Okay, just you need to open any browser on your device. Okay, and in the Google, just you need to search Instagram anonymously, and here you need to open this first link to Instagram stories like this, and you can get this website. As you can see guys, here in the search box you need to enter your Instagram username or that profile link. So I have the Instagram username, just you need to enter the username correctly, don't misspell username. Okay, so for example I am entering one username like this. You can get all Instagram profile related that username. As you can see guys, if you want to view the story post of that profile, just click on that profile picture, and here you can get the stories, highlight and post. So in this profile, in this account, there is no stories available right now. If you want to view the post of that account, just click on post, and here you can get the all posts related to that account. That's it. Okay, so without Instagram account, you can easily able to view anyone Instagram account, stories, posts, highlights, everything. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.